Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tom, Trade Forex with Tom. I'm so happy that I've got at least 40 subscribers on my channel. It means a lot to me already. But here's the thing, I want to share something with you today regarding my strategy that I'm currently using. Um, just post that I'm currently using is basically break and retest and supply and demand. So these are the main two strategies that I'm currently using. Sorry, I need some power today. Um, Supply and demand. So basically, break and retest as well. So here is something that I want to share with you. So say for example today I took a trade on GBP USD. Right here I took the trade and dragged it all the way up here and got out of the market basically. So why did I take that trade? Look, a good example right now. So if you go up to a higher time frame, so go up to the higher time frame or even zoom out. You can either zoom out or go to a higher time frame, but normally high time frame will give you a better aspect of where the price was. Okay, so as you can see right here, there's your support and resistance. So basically you mark out the rejection. So every time it rejected, I was waiting for the price to come near enough to this price. Okay, then I scroll down to a 5 minute time frame, zoom out. I was like, okay, this price is kind of like trying to hit this price, but it seems to be rejected. It rejected a few times the last few weeks. So I will be, yes, taking a trade. So I took that trade, took that beautiful trade today, took it right there, drag it up there, basically 20 pips. As you can see, 20 pips. This is what I took. Is the proof on my phone that I took that trade today. Today, not sure if you can see it properly, £2,000. Easy profit. With a decent lot size, that's what you're going to make. But let me break it down to you again. So, what did we see? So, today, this is what I saw this morning. This morning, Asian session kicked off and it was going and going and going. I didn't see much. Okay, this whole session here, I didn't see much. Okay, the price was just coming back down, back up. I could have took a sell when it came back to this level here at 9 o'clock in the morning, but I was still waiting because sometimes you want to make sure that you hit the price right. But when I zoomed out, I was like, okay, I missed out on this trade. So I was like, okay, something else is going to happen here. So the price basically came almost as down as here. So you mark out your support and resistance, and basically you're waiting to see what's going to happen. So I saw the price was getting rejected. Okay, I'm going to go in and I'm going to buy. So I bought, went up here 20 pips, roughly about 20 minutes, and I was out of the market. That's all you really got to do. You only need about 20 minutes to half an hour sometimes 3 4 hours, depending on how the market is volatile or not, and how busy the markets are basically. But it's one of the reasons why I entered that trade, because the price went all the way back down, but it got rejected a few times, and I was like, okay, this is what's happening. Um, Previous days, we can go back and basically, I normally trade support, resistance, breakout, retest, and supply and demand. So let me give you another example. Tuesday, I didn't trade on Tuesday. Why? I just didn't see much going on, but I could have traded yesterday, but I was a bit skeptical because the market was like basically going sideways for a bit, messing about. But I could have taken this trade, for example. I could, but I never. But okay, let me break it down to you. Why I could have taken the trade. You see your Asian session, then you see your London session starts right here. Okay, London session started selling, so that meant okay, is it gonna retest this price? I was like, okay, potentially yes, and that's exactly what happened. So I could have taken the trade, drag it up here, previous head and shoulders, basically, and to get out of the trade, and then probably take another trade when U.S. session opened at 1 o'clock or 1:30, that the price came back to retest kind of like this level here, supply and demand, right in this area, and take a buy and take another trade and basically take another profit from here to here. And but my main strategy that I want to show you is what I just showed you before. You just have to be very, very patient. So let's get back to Wednesday. Be patient of what's happening to the price. Don't just rush in, because a lot of people will probably be like, "Oh yeah, double bottom right here. Let's go for a buy." And guess what happened? The prices went shot all the way down. So a lot of people do that mistake. Especially when they see something like, say, for example, they would be trading here and they saw a double bottom. They'd be like, "Yeah, let's go." Okay, they made that little tiny move, but then what happened? The price collapsed back down. You probably end up with a loss. It depends how much you're willing to risk and what your take profit would be. So if someone would have taken a trade here, it would have done right. Okay, fair enough. But his profit would have been here. Which is not a huge profit, but it's something. So that's another supply and demand right there. So you just got to watch out for those kind of things. Um, and yeah, that's how it is. I mean, you look at my previous videos. I mean, I'm finally using a laptop. I need to buy a better camera in future, so I can do better videos for you guys. But I'm not using Trading View because I don't see a point of using it. To be honest with you, you've got millions of indicators on there, and I don't use no indicators. Look, my chart is clean. It's completely clean, and that's what I want to see. I want to see a nice price action. I want to see breakout. I want to see retest, and that's all I want. I want to do. That's all I want to see. So, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I will try and post at least 2 or 3 videos in a week. I'm just kind of like busy with my other job and all that stuff, because at the same time, you probably notice on my other videos that I actually drive an Uber at the same time as trading. So when I'm not trading, then why would I want to spend my time at home doing nothing and probably overreacting and over trading myself, when I can just go out and have a little drive around and obviously get more people into trading and you know send them to my channel and all that stuff. So if you like this channel, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.